Gang, gang, you already know what time it is, man. We're back in the building, you know, man. And you see what we are dealing with today. Yeah, man, we're back with none other than one of my favorite artists out of Gaza, bro. I'm glad to see him making a return and making a comeback, you feel me? Never like a dog, the kind of, I say give up, but, you know, a dog, you know, really drop music and push out much effort and stuff like that. But, I'm glad to see that make a comeback ever since he link up with Vibes Cartel and Ray Tate. Like he dog catch back him vibes. Like he dog get clear up who that try all back. But anyway, we're not gonna get into that. We're there with none other. Yeah, man. Him himself, man. Blak Ryno and TroubleMekka, the one in him. Boop. Big energy rhythm. We're gonna check it out. No one never. Come like dog, them finally get fi collab with it. You see me I said, then that gatekeep, you know. Then that Blackout Ryno, you know. No me see it, you know. Cause me see certain my mind one, you know. One on the better tappy. But anyway, Blak Ryno there, the one named Blak Ryno and TroubleMekka there, the one named Boop. Right, check it out and see that I deal with. Also, guys, I'll be live streaming on YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch. Make sure you are following me on all three platforms. I go live every day at 6. So make sure, guys, you're following me. The lives be lit. It be crazy. I'm gonna drop a snippet of what we go down live. Trust me. But definitely join the live, guys. I'm on full streamer mode. You see me? We be playing games and vibing, bro. Don't come over there with the foolishness, man. I still a bad man, you know. You wanna play some game, but I come over with the foolishness. I try, man. You see me? I say. But yeah, let's get it. Blak Ryno, TroubleMekka, boop. Let's get it.
I boop boop, yeah this up. I boop boop, yeah deaf boy. I boop boop, yeah violate I boop boop, the party boop.
This is all like a Blak Ryno vibe now. Blak Ryno get back in a creative bag, you know. Cause Blak Ryno creative, you know, and he can make some different type of tune and never think I go shot where I go shot, you know. You see me I say?
The 40 boop, the 9 a boop, the 6 pants as a tally pass me foot. The fire when the wire binds a suit. Me knock it up and clap it up a boop boop boop. We search boy, we circle them. The drive by car pull up a turn the bend. The clip ram 32 and the 30-10. The place run from the killer turn the yang. The rifle a boop, watch everything a cook. Shit.
Easy now, man, come true.
The place to the shop and everything a shook. You violate a meaning and make a killer look. Search boy, coffee them, boop. I boop boop, yeah this up. I boop boop, yeah deaf boy. I boop boop, yeah violate I boop boop. The 40 boop, the 9 a boop, the 6 pants as a tally pass me foot.
I'm telling you, we're not gonna go like say this nobody know because I Ryno in about body, you know. That me I telling you, go on through.
Fire when the wire binds a suit.
Yeah.
Knock it up and clap it up. I nothing a turner, I burner. It a work and I burn it a whirl and a stitch like surgeon from Persia.
And a Tina Turner I burner. Bombo clean come true.
It a work and I burn it a whirl and a stitch like surgeon from Persia. Them attack on my dust and a boy when my fear do the nerd yeah.
Ooh.
Murder for murder, them circle and dirt
Murder.
that.
Ooh. Murder with circle and dirt that. Easy Blak Ryno. Go on you. Hey, you know.
Them circle and dirt that. Shake up in place, make your ear flat. No afraid of no boy, no heard that. We search a boy, we circle them. The drive by car, pull up a 30 bend. The clip ram 32 and the 30-10. The place run
the clip ram, the 32 and the 30-10. Ooh,
30-10. The place run from the killer, turn the yang. The rifle a boop, watch everything a cook. Shake the place to the shop and everything a shook. You violate a meaning and make a killer look. Search a boy, coffee them, boop. A boop boop.
A boop boop. Oh, Ryno can make hits. We don't stop play with the dog. Go on, shoot.
A boop boop. A boop boop. The 40 boop. The 9 a boop. The 6 pants as a tally pass me foot. The fire when the wire binds a suit. We knock it up and clap it up. A boop boop. A boop boop. A boop boop. A boop boop. Boop boop boop, the 40 boop, the 9 a boop, the 6 pants as a tally pass me foot. Me wire when the fire binds a suit.
It's bad. A boop boop. Tono. Yes man, Ryno, the stinger. Tono better play. Hey, don't play the stinger, man. Yeah man. Hey Ryno, I'm glad to see you back, G. I'm glad to see you. You're gonna bring some fun into this. Cause they don't know the fun in the bad man thing, you know, and the jealous thing, you know. They don't know if you make the song actually be fun. We are talking about some badness. We are talking about some girl thing. We are talking about some hustling thing. We are talking about some love thing. But the song must fun. Different song I feel enjoyable. So bring up this thing, man. Yo, this is a refreshing one. I'm glad to see Ryno, bro. Ryno have a different flow, a different style, different cadence. You see me, and we are a different way of doing stuff, which I'm glad to see, and I think it's refreshing. I think that's all I need, bro. You see me? So shout out to Ryno, man. I appreciate, yo, we love this, man. Shout out to you, Ryno. Yeah, man, gang. Let me know what team with us in the comment section, guys. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. You see me? I say, love you guys. I'm out.